first thing is handling. It's only because of its 14-inch alloy wheels, the first time seen in any scooter in India. It has the 32 mm telescopic box, which also helps for really good handling. The more impressive is the way it stops, thanks to the 220 mm front. I love riding this machine. It's because of its performance. It borrows the same engine from its Vespa sibling, that is 155cc. The 125/70 front brake tires hold the road very efficiently. This scooter gets to the 100 km/h very quickly compared to the other scooters in the market. This all possibly makes it the ultimate stunting scooter of India. If you've liked the video, then do subscribe. Thank you for watching. Till then, bye bye.